The Sanjak Kirang Bashnang Ribhoi district today met the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police to raise key issues related to public welfare and safety. Led by President B.B. Makda and General Secretary P.B. Salyang, the delegation held separate meetings with the Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal and Superintendent of Police Giri Prasad. During the meeting with the SP, the Sinjuk called for strict enforcement of traffic rules, stronger action against drug abuse, and crime better coordination with village leaders and strengthening of village defense parties across the district. In the interaction with the Deputy Commissioner, the organization highlighted shortcomings in the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission, pointing out that several villages still lack safe drinking water. They also sought early release of pending MG and REGA material costs and flagged delays in the construction of 7-foot over bridges. The Sinjuk expressed satisfaction with the assurance given by the DC and SP and hoped the issues would be resolved soon.
Nakaliang jung sunjuk ki Rang Bashnong Ribhoi district matagasngi hat arterik Brai Bingkong Araja Arpenriu gidap ta kajing dokumen akaba nakaliang jung sunjuk giliyo banwan budin iki kam kiba nang sak pending kiba mention snap giladap banbu iki jingtho sya SP office akabide bat kadiki jingja kiba susi baja langbau di usurok nadu napo jorobat adu umyam di dakajing simkhia jungki ngisoban ai kube shibun yaka Police Department kabala simkia nak bentaban le ya ke checking nak benta kali kamta mikini kiba dikiat akapor banyak kali badlang ba kajing simkia jeng Police Department ngili bakal yarap sisa haka bakal aduna kan ke jingyap lang ba kajing ja accident haka ni ka surok kaba ngili ba hapor Ribhoi district nak kapor kibubun ki mensim kilo duai tilang ba kajing simkia ka jungki kalau duna kini ki kendiat banai hadin barang jeng ke Police Department kala sim ya kakam di ke ba nakalian juga senjuk di don ni kaban penpau ta kasgi kalong hakawi pat kabentang yu iba kajing jot jong uni usrok nadu napo umyam hadu jerabat kadai lang ba kajing yat jong gini kali ki bakit palat put kaban nakalian juga senjuk ngadep pendia keren menta bat USP jong kari Ribhoi district hakaba nakalian jong ulah kular ban simkhai kani bat hoa kajing isa gumbale keren haka meeting kamde gebenta jongka Police Department ban page ban cek mereka di jongka Transport Department nak benta ban page ya kan dia ke jingkit kia jogi ni kali ki bakit parat put ti nakaliang jongi ngi penpau ba nang ni sekhmat nakaliang jongka Transport Department bat ka Police Department ru kin le ka badai kamtam ka badai ban tek lakam ni kali ki ba kit parat put ti ka ba arpat ka nakaliang jongka senjuk liu banyakan mentakasngi bat Deputy Commissioner jongka Ribhoi district kalau hakabide bat gidon katuk ni tili kisinong ki ba kanika Jal Jeevan Mission kim trek kam tikna hakaba nakaliang jong ki bubun kisinong ngilayo e ka complain kila penpau ba kanika giyo tang kapai tai ki pai ki bapoi kisinong jong ki kat ba ka pat kamsem lapoi kumbala kambi denti kumbala penmang leng ba ka department PHE department ti nakaliang jong ka sunjuk kirang ba sinong ilabu ko jing tho sa UDC ti nakaliang jong UDC rangkat ba ka sunjuk li singi sa penbek hakawe kesengi nak benta ban page ikatut ni sinong ki bangilio e complain debat sakawe pat ka bangilio e ka ban keren hakabe dei bat kan ni ka jingpun slam jong ka sarkar ban siu ya kan ni ka material seki vendor ka ban nakaliang jong ki nakaliang jong ki sinong kala bu jeng e ban penyak sakmat kamtam lili ku mengyu menta ba kan ni ka MG NRGA kelapan kala kerteng tinggi tip ke e ka ban jayo lese kutu ka bay material ka bangiladap ban treru yok nginum yok show tinggal ya keren baru DC mtakasi kapan kalian jong ula ai ke insuran ba lakum dokum no kin pendep no hapo jong uni financial year kanang ba kikam ki wede bat ka ni ka MGNRGA ki vendor kinam kata bat ki VEC kin yok ka ban pentre sya kikam ki wede bat kan ke jing tre bela job card hakisnong kita go jugi kita ki mat ki ban kalian jong sunjuk liyo ka ban keren hapo SP office bat DC office bentakasi ka ngimi ilti ba kadang diru kasin ka ban kong jong kan ni ka snam aja arpendiu tinggi kemil inti bakini kejingnya